Welcome back, everyone, to a new series I'm creating. It's called Slam Dunk or Wax Junk. And the reason why I came up with that, obviously, is because Hoops is my favorite set to open. It's got the best inserts, and, well, let me explain this to you. See all these back here? That is 9 complete sets of hoops. So today we're gonna find out if we get a slam dunk or some wax junk. Let's get into this. Hoping to pull some teal or anniversary. Got a nice Cade and Josh Giddey teal back there, along with the Io DeSunmu anniversary edition. Super happy about getting those ones. Let's see what we get. Kenyon Martin, AD, Bunch Base, Spida, Luca, Bill Clarkson, Ayton, Oubre, Desmond Bain, Karl Anthony Towns. All right, looks like we do have a slam. Who's this? John Wall on the Lights, Camera, Action. Oh, LeBron James. There we go. We got a Till back there. Very nice LeBron James. Who's this? Eric Bledsoe on the purple. Every one of LeBron James's cards is off-centered. I have not seen one card for Slam LeBron James centered. But we'll take it. We'll take it. Love them slams. Eric Bledsoe. No. Portland. Who that? Derrick Jones Jr. All right. Let's see what we get for rookies. Cam Thomas. Quentin Grimes, Greg Brown, Cade Cunningham, and Io DeSunmu is right behind him. Yep, I've opened enough of these to know. You pull a Cade, you pull an Io. All right. Got a... Oh, wow. Haven't seen a security tag in one of those for a while. All right, let's get into the next pack. Let's try to get a Hollow Slam or an Anniversary Edition. Kendrick Nunn, Tatum, Dame, Shai Gilgeous, who's popping off this year. Right next to LaMelo, injured again. Beef Stew, Chris Boucher. Manuel Quickly, Luke Kennard, Denny Avdia, Cameron Thomas. Let's skip through the rest of these. Hornets Skyview, gonna be LaMelo on that. I think that's probably that one and the Lights, Camera, Action are probably the worst in the hoops. Just very underwhelming. But Hoops has a lot of nice inserts, especially out of the hobby box. Let's see. Ja Morant, Pure Players. Rookie class of 2021, Jalen Suggs. Not a rookie. Devontae Graham on the Till, Franz Wagner, and Jalen Suggs right behind him. Yep, there's another one of those matchups that you can always tell. You get a Franz, you get a Jalen Suggs right behind him. So we'll take that for my Magics. Kai Jones for my Hornets. Keon Johnson, Luke Garza, and Jeremiah Robinson Earl. Not too much out of that pack. So far, we only got one slam, and that's about it. Looks like more wax junk. Let's see. Skip through these base here. And if you guys do like this kind of content, I will be trying to upload as much as I can. I do have a video coming out this coming Tuesday. I'm going to be opening the Fanatics Optics box when they come in. I'm excited to see that and see what those green flashes are. I believe that's what they're called. I'll have to check when they come in. Let's see. Lights, camera, action, Ja Morant. Some of them are cool, but, you know, if you ain't getting hollows, it ain't really much. Sky view of Zion. We got a purple here. It's a rookie Jason Preston. That's not what we're looking for. All right, we got a rookie back here. What team is it? Magic. Ooh. Franz Wagner. Very nice. I will take that one. Let's see. Well, we got 2 slams. Slam for the series. Very nice Franz Wagner. Very good centering on that. Yeah, we'll take that. That's nice. That's nice. All right. Our rookies are Kessler Edwards, David Johnson, Jonathan Kuminga, Jaden Springer, Josh Christopher, and Evan Mobley to finish out. All right. We got a nice Evan Mobley. Too bad I already got like 50 of him. Let's get into that last pack and see how these do. Come on, Anniversary Edition. No. Get through these base. Flip and flip. And flip some more. Our lights, camera, action is a Jason Tatum. Ooh, we got another slam. D'Angelo Russell? Yep. Very nice. That one's actually pretty well centered too. Sweet. We will take that. Got another class of 2021, Quentin Grimes. That's not who we're looking for. All right. Let's go from the back. Davion Mitchell. James Bouknight from the Hornets. Take that. Juan Toscano. Isaiah Jackson. Trey Murph. Jason Preston again. Come on, give us another rookie. Not a rookie. Golden State Warriors. Klay Thompson. Hey. We will take that too. Very nice. And well centered. All right. Not bad. I mean, that's about as best as what you can hope for out of hoops, is pulling a couple slams. Unfortunately, they were not the hollows. Would have loved to get the hollows on those. We did hit a very nice rookie of Franz Wagner on the Teal Explosion and a Klay Thompson on the Explosion. So I will take that. Not too big of rookies and not hollow slams, but we'll take them. I mean, that's about all you can really expect out of hoops besides collecting 9 sets of the base set. So With that, if you guys like the content, like and subscribe and turn notifications on to get notifications when I post new videos. And we will see you guys next time with another slam dunk or wax junk.